bigger babies, especially when they're new like this.
Courtney's got the hiccups.
She may have been able to go for 4 hours. The only reason why we did the 3 is because that's what the doctor
Sucking your
ordered.
thumb?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sounds like a little frog.
Alright, time to go back in your space helmet.
Yep.
So we'll come see you again in a few hours.
Let's check you, see if you're dirty. You look like you might be a little wet. It hadn't turned green, but we'll... get you changed here. Alright, we lost your probe.
Why'd you give her the hiccups, Mom? Alright. Night-night.